In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple charts in Thinkorswim FlexGrid. If you've ever wanted to monitor several symbols or timeframes at once, the flexible grid makes it simple to build a custom multi-chart layout that fits the way you trade. Let's start by getting to the right place. From the top of the platform, head to the Charts tab. Just beneath those main tabs, click on the Flexible Grid subtab. This is your canvas. You'll see a single chart by default, but we're about to turn it into a tailored grid. To change the number of charts, we need to enter Edit mode. Look to the top right corner of the chart area for the grid icon. It looks like a square divided into smaller boxes. Click that, then check the box labeled Customize Grid. You'll notice small plus and minus icons appear inside the grid cells. Those are your split and remove controls. To add a chart, hover over the cell you want to split and click the plus icon on the side where you want the split to occur. Click on the right or left edge to create a vertical split, or the top or bottom edge for a horizontal split. Repeat this as needed to build the exact layout you want. 2 side by side, a 2x2 grid, or a more complex arrangement. Take your time here and think about where you want each symbol or time frame to live so your eyes can scan naturally. If you change your mind or want to simplify, removing a chart is just as easy. Click the minus icon in the center of the cell you'd like to delete. The grid will neatly collapse, merging the surrounding space so you're not left with awkward gaps. With your grid shape in place, adjust the size of each chart for balance. Hover your cursor over the borders between charts until it turns into a resize handle, then click and drag. Aim for proportions that match your workflow. For example, give your primary chart a larger area and keep secondary reference charts a bit smaller. Small deliberate adjustments go a long way toward a tidy, readable layout. When you're happy with the arrangement, lock it in so you don't accidentally nudge a border while analyzing. Click the grid icon again and uncheck Customize Grid. The plus and minus buttons disappear and the borders are locked, keeping your layout stable while you work. That's it. You now have a clean, customized multi-chart setup in Thinkorswim's flexible grid, ready to support your trading and analysis.